Look at my baby, she's so clever. I just came back in the room. I know, you're clever, girl. And she was just standing up, holding on to the toy. Stand up, puppy. That's it, come on. That's it. Who's a clever baby? Oh. Lily? Look at her standing up all by herself. Lily, you're clever. Are you a clever girl? Daddy's gonna be so proud of my baby. Yes.